Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. This is my review of my HolyStone HS175D. I got this drone on Amazon for about $200 and something, but I can't remember the exact amount I paid. It's been about 2 months since I bought the drone. It's an HolyStone product. It says H14 and above on the box. This is the drone. So I think well, it says I've got HD camera. I think it does up to 4K, 2.4 gigahertz connection, I believe. GPS positioning, and you can adjust the camera or take the camera by 90 degrees. And this is just other regulatory product information on the back. Here's just HolyStone, and GPS drone. So let's get rid of the polythene at the back, and there's a tiny hole on the body of the drone, so I'm going to start from there to rip out or rip off this shiny plastic. I have to say it's a pretty satisfying process. I guess I'm not done yet. Away from the box. Now it's just okay. Now that's out of the way. It's got some seal, so like this seal here. So let's see what comes on the box. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a carrying case. Let's get rid of this. Comes with a carrying case with HolyStone written on it. Feels pretty solid. It's got retractable arms. That's quite nice. Well, this is my first. This is my second drone. It's supposed to be after I practice with the other tiny one I got, so this is supposed to be the main boy. Probably some content will come to you guys made on this drone. We'll just have to see how that goes, right? Okay, now let's see what's inside. Okay, we are greeted with a foam pad. Okay, I believe this should be the controller. Definitely feels better than a toy drone I got the first time. Still clicky buttons, power on and off. Feels quite nice. I think these arms retract a bit, but I don't know. I don't want to break anything, so I'm just gonna go through the manual when I do a first flight video. So there should be one of the batteries it comes with, sealed in here. You might just want to slice it open. I think each flight is rated for about 20 minutes per battery. About 20 minutes, I can't really remember. This is one of the batteries. It says 1700 mAh. Hopefully you can see that. Put that aside. And it comes with a USB-A to USB-C, USB-B cable, micro USB cable. And this is the drone. It's smaller than I thought it would be. Well, this is my second drone, so what do I know? Well, it does look really pretty, I must say. How do I unfold this? I don't want to break anything. I don't want something to go. Okay, it comes, there's already a battery pre-installed. Okay, it comes, there's a second battery, the other one is inserted in the drone. Comes, I believe, this way. Okay, comes with a battery, and this is it, guys. Okay, I think it extends this way. There's nothing else left in the box. Let's put this to the side, and okay, what's in here? We have more bags to open. Okay, this is a charger, I believe, for the batteries. It should be a battery charger. Oh, is it? Yes, it is. It's a battery charger. I believe it slots in this way. Yep, I got it right the first time. Yay, it's a battery charger. Connects to a USB. It says 5 volts and 2 amperes. So 10 watts of charge. And another charger for the second battery. That's nice. What's in here? I believe this should be a screwdriver and some spare propellers, just in case you fly it into something, crash it and break some propellers. So these are the extra propellers. Kind of has a nice shape to it though. I'm new to drones, so forgive me if I say something that I should not have said. Okay. Forgive me if my voice sounds kind of awkward. I'm feeling quite sick. So this is a manual for the drone. Feels like a little book. Caution of battery. Another caution. I don't know what that is. There's a manual on how to fly the drone, headless mode, on so on and so on. I believe this should be in multiple languages. Can't just be in English. Okay, I think I see. This is Dutch, I believe. Once I see something that looks like Chinese, and I know it's multiple languages. Just hope the English part is not that long. Oh my god. Wow, that's a lot of... Oh. Charging time is about 2 hours. There's no flight time. There should be flight time. Okay, max flight time is actually 23 minutes per battery. Found it in a manual. 23 minutes for one battery. That's a pretty long flight time for drones. I think the highest a drone can do is about 30 minutes, and that's a DJI drone. I'm not big on drones, as I say, so forgive me if I'm wrong. So I might go faster or fly for longer. I don't have the speed numbers. I just got this drone because it seemed affordable and it seems okay. So that's it, guys, for this unboxing of the HolyStone HS175D, if I remember correctly. Yes, HS175D, I got that right. Oh, it's English and German, I believe. This should be German. Or Dutch. Okay. I believe this red tab blocks the battery connectors, as you can see. Prevents the battery that was inserted from making connection during transportation, which I fully understand, but I just noticed something, that the electric motors are not properly, should I say, insulated from the weather, so electricity and water don't go too well together. So which means this drone can't fly in any kind of weather condition that has rain, be it light drizzles. Probably might shut the whole thing and boom, it's gone. So I guess obviously when you save on money to get a cheaper drone, but I didn't expect it not to have at least a plastic covering for the motors that flies the damn thing. It's made of plastic. Feels pretty sturdy for a drone, I think. I don't know what these are. The headlights, or of course, no cars shouldn't have headlights. So this is the camera. It can tilt up to 90 degrees. It's facing dead on. Probably can turn it face down. Doesn't bother on the landing feed. I think this should be a sensor, maybe a proximity sensor to know when it's getting close to the ground. And there's some information on the side of the drone in case that's important to you. So that is it, folks. I'm gonna fly this around, hopefully not crash into anything. And I've got spare blades, so probably I could afford 1 or 2 crashes. So that's it. This looks like a battery indicator on top. So I'm gonna give this a try, play with it, and come back for a review. Stay tuned, guys. Have a good one.